Welcome to the fascinating world of earning while you sleep. Ever wondered how some people make money without even lifting a finger? Today we're diving into the top 10 ways to generate passive income. From the comfort of your home to the power of the internet, we're uncovering the secrets that could turn your financial dreams into reality. Why is this important? Well, who wouldn't want to secure their future while enjoying the present? Stick around as we unfold these exciting methods. Number 1. Investing in dividend stocks. So let's kick off with dividend stocks, a classic favorite in the passive income realm. Picture this. You invest in a company's stock, and as a thank you, they pay you a portion of their earnings, known as dividends. It's like getting a small thank you note in the form of cash, just for believing in and investing in that company. The beauty of dividend stocks is their simplicity. Once you buy the stock, you don't have to do much. The company does its thing, makes profits, and shares a bit of that with you. It's like planting a tree and enjoying the fruits year after year. But here's the deal. It's not just about picking any stock. You've got to do your homework. Look for companies with a strong history of paying dividends and are likely to continue doing well. Think of it as being a bit like a detective, hunting for those hidden gems in the stock market that will provide you with a steady income. With time, as you reinvest those dividends and your portfolio grows, you could see a snowball effect, where your earnings start to increase without any extra effort from your side. Number 2. Rental income. Next up, let's talk about rental income. Imagine owning a property and having someone else pay your mortgage and expenses while you just collect rent. It's like having a money-making machine where you need to check in from time to time. You buy a property, find tenants, and voila! You have a steady stream of income coming in every month. This can be residential or commercial real estate, depending on what you're comfortable with. Now, I know what you're thinking. Being a landlord is not exactly sitting back and sipping cocktails on the beach. There's maintenance, dealing with tenants, and unexpected repairs. But with the rise of property management companies, a lot of these headaches can be taken off your plate. For a fee, they handle the nitty-gritty, and you enjoy the benefits of rental income with much less hassle. Over time, as you pay off the property and possibly even acquire more, this can become a significant source of passive income. Number 3. Creating an online course. Ever thought about sharing your knowledge with the world and getting paid for it? Creating an online course can do just that. Let's say you're a wizard at baking, a whiz at coding, or even a master at gardening. Whatever your skill, there are people out there eager to learn from you. You put in the work up front, writing a comprehensive, engaging course, and then you release it into the wild. Each time someone buys your course, you earn money without lifting another finger. The real magic happens when you market your course effectively. Using social media, email marketing, or collaborating with influencers can amplify your reach. This isn't just a throw it out there and hope for the best situation. It's about building a community around your expertise, engaging with your audience, and continuously updating your course to keep it relevant. The more value you provide, the more people are willing to pay, and the more passive income you generate over time. Number 4. Writing a book. Now let's turn the page to writing a book. This is for those who have a story to tell or knowledge to share and enjoy the process of writing. The effort is upfront. Crafting your masterpiece, whether it's a novel, a cookbook, or a how-to guide. Once your book is published, either through traditional publishing or self-publishing, every sale brings in royalties, which is your passive income. The key to success here is marketing and building an audience. Social media, book readings, and engaging with readers can make a huge difference. Plus, the digital age has made it easier than ever to self-publish. With platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, you can have your book available to millions of readers worldwide. And remember, your book can also open doors to new opportunities like speaking engagements or workshops, further increasing your passive income potential. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Now let's navigate the digital world of affiliate marketing. Picture yourself as a promoter for products or services you love and believe in. You share these with your audience via your blog, YouTube channel, or social media platforms. Every time someone purchases through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's like being a matchmaker between products and potential buyers and getting a thank you commission for every successful match. To really succeed in affiliate marketing, it's all about trust and relevance. Your audience needs to believe in your recommendations, so it's crucial to choose products that align with your values and their interests. It's not about randomly throwing links out there. It's about creating valuable content that naturally integrates these products, providing real solutions to your audience. Over time, as your audience grows and trusts your recommendations, your affiliate income can become a significant, steady stream of passive earnings. Number 6. Peer-to-peer. Lending now. Let's talk money lending, but with a modern twist. Peer-to-peer lending platforms allow you to lend your money to individuals or small businesses online. You play the bank role, but without all the brick-and-mortar hassle. You lend your money, and in return, you receive interest payments. It's as simple as that. Think of it as a way of helping others while helping yourself. The key here is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across various loans to mitigate risk. Yes, there's a risk factor, as with any investment, but the idea is to balance it with the potential returns. By carefully selecting the loans you invest in based on risk assessments provided by platforms, you can manage these risks and enjoy a steady stream of passive income. Number 7. Building an app. In our digital world, building an app can be a lucrative way to earn passive income, especially if you have a unique idea or solution to a common problem. The initial work involves brainstorming an idea, designing and developing the app. Once it's up and running on app stores, you can earn money through app purchases, in-app purchases, or advertisements. The key to a successful app is not just in its development, but in its ongoing update and marketing efforts. You need to keep the app relevant and engaging, fixing any bugs, and continuously improving it based on user feedback. Promoting your app through social media, influencers, or ad campaigns is also crucial to ensure it reaches the right audience. If your app solves a real problem or entertains, it has the potential to become a significant passive income source. Number 8. YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel can be a fun and rewarding way to earn passive income. You can create content about something you're passionate about, be it cooking, travel, tech reviews, or even daily vlogging. Once your videos are up, they can continue to earn money through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales for as long as they remain popular. The trick is to consistently create content that resonates with your audience. It's not just about going viral with one video, it's about building a loyal subscriber base that looks forward to your content. Engaging with your audience, understanding what they like, and using YouTube analytics to guide your content strategy are crucial. As your channel grows, so does your potential for passive income, even from videos you made years ago. Number 9. Licensing your photography. If you have a knack for photography, licensing your photos can be a fantastic way to earn passive income. Websites like Shutterstock and Getty Images allow photographers to upload their photos and earn money each time someone licenses them for use. It's like having a digital photo gallery where people pay to use your art. The key is to upload high-quality, unique photos that meet the needs of potential buyers. This could be anything from landscapes to lifestyle shots. Regularly uploading new content keeps your portfolio fresh and increases your chances of sales. It's a numbers game. The more quality photos you have out there, the more potential for earning. Plus, it's a great way to get your work seen by a global audience. Number 10. Automated dropshipping. Lastly, let's explore automated dropshipping. It's an e-commerce model where you set up an online store to sell products, but the twist is that you don't handle the inventory or shipping. When someone buys a product from your store, the order is sent to the supplier, who ships it directly to the customer. Your role is more about managing the online store and customer service. The beauty of dropshipping is that you can sell products worldwide without dealing with the logistics of inventory. However, success in dropshipping relies heavily on choosing the right niche, building a trustworthy brand, and marketing effectively. Using tools that automate parts of your business, like order processing and email responses, can help you focus on growing your store and increasing your passive income potential. And that's a wrap on the secrets of passive income. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. So pick your path, start small, and watch your dreams grow. Thanks for joining, and until next time, keep building your empire.